In this video, I will show you how to get date of birth into words in Microsoft Excel version 2021. Here I have used only Excel's built-in function. No any VBA code is used, so it will be much useful for you. And if you are using version other than 2021, this formula might not work for you. For you, I have created a video for this purpose itself. Please find it in I button. Here, look here. I am going to type December 5th, 2005. Now look here. In the right nearby cell, it's generated in words. Now, we may go for its formula in formula bar. Look here. Wow, it's a bit longer, but it's pretty very simple as compared with VBA code. All you have to do is to copy this entire formula and paste it in your work file. Please note to replace the cell address. That's a 2 in my file. No any other task is needed. Now, let us go with another example. Let's type July 31st, 1998. Wait what it will populate. Isn't it a cool effect? It's really useful if you have much more data. Another example. Now, January 2nd, 2000. Will it be a fun? Wow, it's very nice. Now, typing October 15th, 1950. That's a good job. All you have to do is to copy and paste this formula. I have given this formula in first comment. I have given a downloadable link of this work file in description. You can download it from there. If you have got this video useful, please consider subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.